Welcome to this product support video we're producing for this new saliva drug test, the direct workplace drug and alcohol combined saliva test from ALLTEST. This is the box packaging. Carton contains 25. The standard CE marks are on the outer aspect, and inside what you can expect to get is a comprehensive data sheet, insert and instruction which lists all the drugs with the detection times, windows, and all the cross-reactivity data that you'd expect from a professional in vitro diagnostic. You've also got a combination evaluation colour chart card which comes with a box. The only bit of this you're interested in is the alcohol test interpretation on the colour change on the pad on this midstream saliva test, and the other parts of that relate to urine adulteration test strips. It's a standard card that the manufacturer makes that they can use across a whole range, so don't be confused by that. And then you get 25 individual foils. These have been put in 863 foils. This will be changed to 873 because this is a combination 6 drug plus alcohol test. If we just run you through the combination that you get on here: cocaine, amphetamine, methadone, opiates, cannabis, benzodiazepines, and the alcohol pad. These are individual foil wrapped, long expiry date. These are coming to us now with just under 18 months on them for the shelf life. These can be stored at room temperature. Volume wise, volumetrics of these is fantastic because that carton contains 25 complete drug and alcohol screens. The combination that we've run you through there is ideal for workplace screening, particularly transport industry. It matches the roadside checks that are being done on your vehicles by law enforcement. Plus it gives you that indication of real-time alcohol. The levels that you can expect to get on this, if we just show you this card, bring that in closer, it may, I don't know whether that's focused, I can't see on this small screen I'm looking at. But you've got a negative indicator for no blood alcohol equivalent, and then it goes up in increments: 0.02, 0.04, 0.08, which is the drug driving limit for alcohol, the drink driving limit I should say, and even higher than that, 0.3. So the alcohol doesn't look back in time. This is a direct indicator at the point of testing, and the equivalent levels that you're given there are blood alcohol equivalent levels. So 0.08% is the obvious UK drink driving legal limit. 0.02 is zero tolerance level. Doesn't go down to zero for absolute zero tolerance, although this no pad change colour indicator will give you a zero reading, but you are allowed up to 0.02 because some alcohol is produced naturally in the body from ingestion of sugars through yeast. So 0.02 is the important reading on that to start indicating alcohol of significance as far as doing any occupational risk. So in part 2 of this video, we're going to pop one of those foils and show you one of these tests run, and run you through the procedure for undertaking a test and interpretation of the results.